these eucalyptus too, he's saying. There's the property lines behind his truck. Here's the house he has for sale.
We go just down past the house, or we go further?
¿Cuántos distancia paseo de casa para Lina? ¿Cuántos allá?
Bueno, es relativo, porque desde allá son casi 200 metros y de acá son también casi 200 metros.
Okay.
Claro, y esta parte acá un poco
¿Tiene un
más
plano
abierta.
por eso?
Sí.
Okay.
Gusta, pero no,
No, este momento.
Ya.
¿Tú tienes?
Sí, no, yo tengo el plano.
Oh, bien, perfecto.
¿Y el eucalipto hacen los leños? Claro, los leños, de madera, lo que sea.
Okay, so he's saying they cut a road right here, and you cut out all these eucalyptus, which he owns. Which, okay. I'm guessing that amount of trees right there is probably worth $4,000 or $5,000 easy.
Más de 1000 hectáreas de eucalipto.
¿Cuántos?
Más de 1000 hectáreas.
A little more than half a hectare of eucalyptus.
Sí, por ahí vamos a pasar un ratito. Vamos a subir por ahí.
He's going to come down here and we'll get through there. So. Wow, this is beautiful here. Okay, so this is part of it.
We've got some usable flat land right next to the more densely wooded.
And there's a big mountain that's right in here that we're not seeing. It's beautiful as well. Quiet. It's got water on it.
This might be far enough away from the power station.
Oh yeah. I'd build as far away from that too as I could. Those people. They got animals going away. There are tarantulas here. Yeah, and they'll jump on you. They're not mean.
Yeah.
At least I've heard they aren't. Ah, claro, entiendo. So here is Puntiagudo here. It goes way up there. But the clouds don't want me to see that today. But you can see the snow there. Yeah, that's beautiful. The Cordilleros. So there's the other waterfall. I feel like I'm in an episode of Blue Lagoon.
Oh, there's two waterfalls?
Yeah.
I thought this was the other one.
There's one, two, no, there's just one.
I saw that one.
And then one down there too.
Yeah.
But that's a beautiful waterfall. I tell the kids. Okay, so here we are. After we climbed the hill, coming up behind the house. This is the house. More of the house. Everybody has DirecTV. And a dog. Okay. Oh yeah. It's no mi perro. Mi perro.
¿Podemos mirar aquí a la entradita, por favor? Aquí, hola. Disculpa que no mirar aquí a la entradita, por favor.